Here at Sphere, we pride ourselves on finding new and innovative ways to integrate technologies not compatible with aerial platforms and make them possible. We're happy to introduce our custom-designed and built Sphere Drones Emergency Broadcast System. This custom integration now allows two-way radio communications from an aerial platform. Useful in emergency situations such as bushfires, search and rescue missions, and evacuations. This integration makes it safer than ever to communicate with people in hard-to-reach or unsafe areas. This is just one of many custom drone solutions we have available here at Sphere Drones. If you have any questions about the Sphere Drones Emergency Broadcast System or any other custom drone solution, give us a call or head to our website at spheredrones.com.au.